Cadillac is rolling out new electric vehicles, but it isn't giving up on gas-powered sedans. The CT5 is the largest sedan in Cadillac's lineup, offering a range of 4, 6, and 8-cylinder options with a WD or AWD for the 2025 model year. Cadillac is banking on a big screen to keep the CT5 fresh against segment rivals, which include the Genesis G70 and BMW 3 Series. What's new? New 33.0-inch digital dashboard, powered by Android Automotive Operating System, 5G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Updated lane keep assist promises smoother corrections. Standard blind zone steering assist. Intersection automatic emergency braking. Driver attention assist incorporated with available Super Cruise hands-free driving system. Revised exterior design with larger grille. Updated headlight units. Deep Space metallic black blue and Typhoon metallic blue exterior paint colors. RPOV8V precision package. What we think. In some ways, the CT5 can't live up to the ATS and CTS cars it replaced. Although it's still tossable, the CT5 doesn't offer the same superb handling. The base 4-cylinder engine feels underpowered, a shame given the competence of its 10-speed automatic transmission. The CTS-V is a different story. Plenty of power is on tap, complementing the linear steering and planted ride. Opt for the Blackwing and enjoy a delightful 6-speed manual transmission with short, precise throws. Inside the cabin, the CT5 benefits from generous rear seat legroom, although headroom is tight back there. We look forward to testing out the new 33.0-inch screen. We were impressed with the same unit in the Cadillac Lyriq, although editors remain divided on its intuitiveness. For those who don't love touch controls, Cadillac kept the physical climate controls, and a rotary knob can be used as an alternative to the touch screen. GM's excellent Super Cruise hands-free driving tech is the icing on the cake. Until Cadillac brings mechanical updates to the standard CT5, though, it's simply not a great choice for driving enthusiasts. 5 models are much more satisfying and can compete against the best in the segment. Performance. Despite updating the sedan's exterior and interior, Cadillac isn't changing the engines this year. Once again, the base mill is a 2.0-litre 4-cylinder, making 237 horsepower and 258 pounds-ft of torque. Fuel economy is rated at 21 to 23, 30 to 32 mpg city, highway depending on configuration. Next up is a 3.0-litre V6 packing 335 horsepower and 405 pounds-ft of torque, with fuel economy of 18 to 19, 26 to 28 mpg. These engines offer a choice between RWD and AWD, and they pair with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Of course, we can't forget about the CT5-V, which uses the V6 engine but pumps out 360 horsepower and 405 pounds-ft of torque via a 10-speed automatic transmission. Then there's the mighty CTS-V Blackwing, which packs a 6.2-litre supercharged V8 engine with a stout 668 horsepower and 659 pounds-ft of torque. Buyers can choose from a 6-speed manual transmission or a 10-speed automatic. What is the RPOV8V precision package? New this year and first demoed on the smaller CT4, the track-optimized chassis package for the CT5-V Blackwing model is specifically designed to increase the car's cornering speeds. RPOV8V precision package upgrades include much stiffer springs and a retuned suspension, hardware changes forward and rear to allow for greater camber and toe adjustment, and stiffer bushings in key areas. Michelin Pilot Sport Cup Tour tires may one day also be offered. But one thing that doesn't change is the car's supercharged V8 powertrain. Available in early 2025, pricing should be akin to the Corvette's $6,345 Z5-1 package. How much is the 2025 Cadillac CT5? The 2025 Cadillac CT5 goes on sale in early 2024. Starting price for the 2.0-litre RWD base trim, just under $49,000. Suggested retail. Pricing for the CT5-V Blackwing top model squeaks in under $100,000. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.